What's going on, guys? So I had plans to go wash my car, and I got this new lip and side skirts I was gonna put on the 300, and now it's starting to rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and keep doing what I was doing, and hopefully the rain will hold out so I can go ahead and get all this stuff done. But I'll see you guys at the auto parts store to get the double-sided tape, just to see how it's gonna look before I fully mount it. Well, guys, the rain decided to do exactly what I asked it not to do. It's raining, and I just realized I'm almost out of gas, so I gotta stop by the gas station, and then I'm gonna start by like an AutoZone or some shit. And so yeah, great. I said I was gonna tell y'all when I was at the part shop, but just look at this storminess. And I don't have AC. Well, actually, no, I'm just kidding, I do. But yeah, so this is what we're looking at. Hella storm. I'm just really hoping that it doesn't start pouring down rain, so at least when I get home I can see about putting it in the garage. And oh shit, I saw my boy. But yeah, so hopefully everything goes well. Oh, there's lightning. Oh jeez. So I think this is what we need. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the cheaper one because I just need this thickness. But yeah, so I think we got it. Let's go. Well, guys, I got the stuff, but unfortunately it's I don't know if you guys can tell, but by the drip, there's a drip. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard, and this is leaking, and it's annoying. And yeah, so hopefully it'll stop. All right, guys, so I just got home, and I'm in the garage. It's pouring down rain, so there's no way I can do the lip. And I was thinking to myself, who can I call? Who is always there when I need them? So I didn't call anyone. Nah, I'm just playing. So I called Brandon, asked him if I could use his garage to put the lip on since it's raining. It's literally pouring down rain. My T-top's so dripping so bad. But yeah, so he said that's fine. I'm gonna run inside, get the lip, and then go to his house and install it for you guys so we can see how good does this lip look. Now, the lip is not for the 300ZX. It's for like a 2006 WRX STI. I think I said that right. It always confuses me. But yeah, so that's what the lip's for, but apparently they go good on 300s. I don't know, someone told me that. So I'm gonna try to put it on. Hopefully it'll fit, I don't even know yet. And yeah, so I will see you in a minute with the lip. And just like that, I'm in Brandon's garage, guys, and just a little info. Brandon lives only 5 houses away from mine, so that was literally that fast. And also, Brandon just got 3 teeth removed, I think. So I don't know how he's gonna be talking. I don't know how he's gonna be acting. So we'll just have to see. I think he just hit my car. I don't know what's going on, guys. Well, Brandon, what's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up, dude?
How you feeling?
Hi.
Huh? So how many teeth did you lose today?
2.
How many?
2.
Damn, I thought it was 3. Let me see. You need to brush your teeth, bro.
I do, they just broke.
How'd they break?
Jawbreakers.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I'm trying to eat a jawbreaker.
Alright, guys, so this is how it's fitting up. It looks pretty good. I don't know if the fitment's gonna be perfect or not. It looks like it's gonna show a little bit right there. I will know in a minute though. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I like it. Alright, guys, you'll see in a second. Yeah, it's not fitting up too well. I guess it's the wrong bumper. I'm gonna try it with screws some other time. But yeah, the tape's just not working out too well. How you feel about it, Brandon? A little letdown?
Yeah, it's a letdown. She's gonna bring me home cheesy potato soup, but I can't even eat it.
Alright, guys, so I thought the day was over. So I had to go home and be done. But we're going to Matthew's shop. Well, actually it's Manho's shop, but Matthew works there, blah, blah, blah. It's called Iconic Performance, and if you ever need anything done, do not go there. I'm kidding. But yeah, so I'm gonna go pick him up. There's a little spot we do some donuts there. I might try a couple donuts. Last time I tried some donuts, it ended up very bad. The battery slid over and started grounding out on the hood. Not one of my proudest moments. But yeah, so I'll see you guys there. Is this yours?
Yup.
Is that yours?
Yup.
Is that yours?
Yup.
Is that yours?
So today here. Today here at Iconic Performance, we have a BMW scrap Audi scrap GTR, or better pronounced scrap. That's about it.
This is what you get at Iconic Performance.
Yeah, fuck. Hard.
Alright guys, so I just made it home. I hope you enjoyed this video. It started off to be a kind of boring bummer video, but it ended up being a pretty fun little day. Alright guys, well if you liked it, leave it a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe.